TikTok affiliate marketing is actually easy, but most people are doing it in the worst possible way. No structure, no system, just posting links, hoping for luck. But there's one simple fix that completely changes that, and it's called having a TikTok affiliate store. And here's one thing most people don't realize. When someone finds your TikTok page, they don't always buy immediately. Sometimes they check your bio, sometimes they browse your content. And if they don't see a clear system showing them everything that you offer, they leave. But when you have a store, suddenly they can see all your products in one place. They understand what you actually do at a glance, and in many cases, end up buying more than one item instead of just clicking one link and disappearing. Now, a lot of people use platforms like Shopify or Stan Store for this, but the problem is that they all come with monthly fees just to stay active. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how I built a TikTok affiliate store completely for free and how you can set it up in minutes. I'm heading over to this tool here right now, and you can easily sign up by just heading to beacons.ai. And once you sign up, you want to head over to link in bio and website. Of course, at this point, you should already have your niche at hand. You already know what your page is supposed to be about. So let's say, for example, I'm working with a niche for content creators for newbies. Let's say that's my niche. So when I head over into link in bio, I'm going to go to homepage. Here over on this side is where you're going to be seeing a direct, reflection on how your page is going to appear in the mobile version. So when somebody clicks your store, you'll be able to see how they're going to see it just over here right now. Now, typically the first thing that I would do is to work on my profile picture as well as this background image. Now, the reason why it is super important because pictures actually speak a lot, and that's like the first thing people would see, and it's always best that those things reflect what your page or what your store is about. Now you're going to go click on the header, and on the header, this is where you can then edit your profile. And editing your profile also includes editing your profile photo. For this, I'm going to be using this particular picture that I got from Pixabay, which is like a royalty-free platform. And I'm just going to go ahead and hit accept. I would also scroll down so I can change this background cover as well. Over here is where I can do that change. As well, I'm going to be using this image that I got from Pixabay as well. And I'm going to click accept. So I have the profile image set up. I have the cover page set up. The next thing I want to do is go ahead and start adding my store products. Now I'm going to head back into link in bio, and this is where I'm going to start adding it block by block. I'll click on the add block button and I'll head over to links. You can see here there's products, videos, images, and all that. I won't really go for products because I want them to click on it and it should take them directly to the landing page immediately. So I'm going to use the link. I'll click on the link, and here is where I'm going to select the layout. For the link, I would prefer to use the carousel layout. Why? Because the picture is bolder and you can actually be able to see like what the product is and a little bit of detail about the product. So it actually looks much more cleaner. So I'm going to pick the carousel layout. Now, once I've picked that, you can see here there's a link block that has come up here. Now I'm going to go ahead and click this link. Over here is where I can add group of links. Now, this is actually a good option when you want to like segregate your products. So let's take, for example, I'm going to add this first one here. I can name this Simple Content Creation Tools under $20. And this is where I'm going to add the link. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using Amazon for the affiliate products. I'm heading into Amazon right now. Let's take, for example, I'm going with this portable selfie light. I'm going to go straight over here to get the link. At this point, you're supposed to already be signed up for the Amazon Associate Program. Back into this tool, I'll just go ahead and paste this link here, and I'm going to click on add. Now, I can just go ahead and rename it. Now, I'm going to rename it based on what I see here. So let's say LED portable selfie lights. I'll copy that and just paste it here. Of course, you want to put in something that is very relatable to your ideal audience. Now for the subtitle, I can just add a little bit of what it does and what's about. I can copy it from the about this item section. So I'm copying this and I'll just add it here like so. I can also download the image from Amazon here. So I've added the image that I got from Amazon and I'm going to click accept. Just like that, you can see it's reflected here. Of course, you can see the write-up is quite much. If you want it to be a bit more mobile friendly, you may want to keep the write-up as minimum and as straight to the point as possible. So I'm just going to go edit that. This is looking okay. I can do the same for another product. I'm using the second product here like so, and just like I did for the first one, I'm going to click on get link, and I'm going to copy the link here and paste it here and click add. Once that is added, I'll go ahead and rename it. I'll name it in such a way that it is really simple to understand. The subtitle is where I'll add a little bit of the about of the item, which I can get as well from Amazon. I'm keeping its use and the about item as minimal and as straight to the point as possible. And I've also added the image here like so. Of course, I'm not going to make you watch everything, but I'm just going to add a few more others just so you can see how well this actually works. I've added one more product, and just to make it much more professional, I'm going to head over to settings. This is where you're going to add the title and subtitle for that particular link category. So we can have this here, simple content creation tools, which shows here. Then these contain simple tools beginner can use in starting their content creation journey on a budget. So this is for this link category. I can go ahead and click back and add another block and still add links. Now I'm also going to pick carousel, and this is going to represent another link category. So let's take, for example, this link category. I'm going to make it must have content creation tools for beginners. And from here, I can go ahead, put in the title, then the subtitle. So I'm saying this contain major tools every beginner content creator should have. And I'm heading into the links. And this is where I'm going to start adding the links just like we did before. So let's say, for example, I'm using this content creator vlogging kit. I'll go ahead and get the affiliate link here and add it. I'll click on add button, and I'm going to add the title, which is content creation vlogging kit. So for the subtitle, I could just say all-in-one vlogging kit designed for content creators, and I can paste that here. Just add a little bit of detail here as well. So also adding the image I got from Amazon, and we have this here like so. And this is how I'm going to keep adding each of the links under different categories. Now do note that the entire store has to be under one niche, and the niche for this one we're using is content creation for beginners. So that way you can subcategorize your products so that your audience or your prospect can easily scan through and have an overall understanding on what you do just by looking at your store. So I'm gonna add and added all the products as well as the affiliate link. And just to make it much more professional, I'm going to go head into the link in bio here. I'll head into the header, and I will go ahead and edit the header text. Now, this is where you can change your display name if you have a different brand name based on your niche. Let's take, for example, I can say content creation 101. For the bio, I could say find the necessary tools to start your content journey. And that has populated here, just as you can see. And as well, you can keep adding as much products as you want and keep categorizing them under the different categories that you want to create. So just like that, we've been able to create like a very simple, mobile-friendly online store. And just to see how well that works, you can see here, just copy the link here. And if we should head over to the actual store link, this is how it's going to look like on the end of our prospect. So you can see this looking really good. Content creation 101, you can see the bio. And this is the first category here, so they can easily just move around like a carousel, and they can also scroll down and move around to see the next category. And let's take, for example, they like this essential phone holder anti-slip here, this magnetic suction, and they click on it. It will take them straight to this landing page, of which if they go ahead and purchase it, they will be purchasing straight through your affiliate link, and you will be getting a commission from this actual product. This also enables you to have like more of your affiliate links out there, and prospects could actually even purchase 2 or more products through your affiliate link, thereby increasing your commission. So just like that, we've been able to create an affiliate store that you can use for your TikTok affiliate marketing in your bio that could actually have all of your products all together in one place. Now, if this makes sense to you, then you are already starting to understand the system behind TikTok affiliate marketing. But here's the thing, this same approach also works for other affiliate platforms. For example, I actually used a very similar method to build an Amazon affiliate store for Pinterest completely for free as well. And if you want to see how that one works too, I'm going to link it somewhere on the screen right now. So go ahead and check it out.